The first thing we need to do is find the PVR. Though the system is a whole home PVR, only one box in the home stores the recordings. The PVR is the closest cable box to your modem. The way to identify the box is by the VIP number on the front left-hand side of it. PVR will have a VIP number of either 2262 or 5662. Once this unit has been found, we need to reboot the box. The 2262's power button is on the front left of the box. The 5662's power button is a round button on the top right-hand corner of the box. Problem: the PVR functions such as pausing live TV or viewing list of recorded TV is not working. Solution: Step 1. Press and hold the power button for 10 seconds. This will prompt the box to restart. The reboot process takes approximately 2 minutes to get to live TV and an additional minute for recording functions to load up. Step 2. Once the reboot is complete, you can confirm PVR functions are restored by either pausing live TV or pressing the recorded TV button. Once the PVR is done rebooting, you'll be able to pause live TV or view the list of recordings. Depending on the usage, it may take more than 1 minute for PVR. Step 3. Any other set-top box can now be restarted by pressing and holding their power buttons for 10 seconds.